trou.
Talk me through it.
Embark number 6, All Heart, the elixir of a happy dance of the sheet session. This is the ultimate intimate lubricant.
I'm not alone. Cologne.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know. But I just usually you have to put aromatherapy oils in dark amber bottles, né?
This is the emerald of love making.
Okay, so like so this is the normal embark size. But this one, this is the amount of lubricant needed for a successful honeymoon. Look at the beautiful color. I had to put it in a see-through bottle because it is the most beautiful elixir. All heart